Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting presentation focusing on DTC B121D, which indicates a communication error related to the humidity and in-car temperature sensor in the 2023 Honda Accord. This diagnosis becomes crucial when the climate control unit fails to receive specified data from the humidity in-car temperature sensor. The sensor's role is to continually monitor the humidity and temperature inside the vehicle, transmitting this essential information to the climate control unit located in the dashboard area. A failure can result in improper climate settings, compromising passenger comfort. This presentation will provide you with a structured troubleshooting guide to identify and rectify the issue effectively. DTC B121D represents a communication error between the humidity in-car temperature sensor and the climate control unit. The humidity and in-car temperature sensor is located within the vehicle's dashboard, playing a critical role in assessing the interior environment. It continuously gathers data on humidity and temperature levels, transmitting information to the climate control unit to maintain a comfortable atmosphere within the cabin. If this sensor fails to communicate effectively with the climate control unit, the DTC is triggered. This fault can result in erratic climate control performance, underscoring the importance of accurate communication for optimal climate settings and overall driving experience. Several potential causes could lead to the triggering of DTC B121D. An open circuit in the wiring could prevent the proper flow of communication between the sensor and the control unit, which is essential for data transmission. Another common cause may involve a faulty humidity in-car temperature sensor itself, which may fail to send accurate data or any data at all. Additionally, issues within the climate control unit can contribute to this error. If the unit itself is malfunctioning, it may not interpret data correctly, even if the sensor is operational. Each of these possibilities should be systematically evaluated during the troubleshooting process to accurately identify the root cause. Experiencing symptoms of DTC B121D can greatly impact the driving experience. Drivers may notice incorrect climate settings within the vehicle, where the climate control unit fails to adjust temperature settings based on the humidity and temperature data provided by the sensor. This can lead to either an excessively hot or cold cabin, which does not align with the desired comfort level. Additionally, the climate control may become unresponsive, failing to react to user inputs. Inconsistent temperature readings may also be observed, creating confusion and dissatisfaction among passengers. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for narrowing down potential issues. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B121D involves setting the vehicle ignition to the on mode. This action allows various components, including the climate control unit and the humidity sensor, to receive power. Once powered, visually inspect both the humidity in-car temperature sensor connector and the climate control unit's connector for any visible damage or corrosion that may impede communication. Accessing the climate control unit will typically require removal of some dashboard components, so be prepared for this. After connectors are visually checked, confirm that power supply is steady and stable. A secure power connection is mandatory to ensure the communication can take place between the units effectively. Next, turn your attention to inspecting external circuits related to the humidity in-car temperature sensor. Check the S5V circuit to ensure that it is intact. An open circuit here can prevent proper functionality. The sensor comm line should also be evaluated, as it is critical for the signal ground. During this inspection, hum data and hum KELEC lines must be examined as well. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity along these wires. For a thorough evaluation, check for both open circuits and any shorts to ground. which can lead to further issues and miscommunication in the data being transmitted. If any anomalies are detected in the circuitry, repairs or replacements should be addressed immediately. In this step, the focus shifts towards the humidity/in-car temperature sensor itself. Since there is often no direct method available to test the sensor efficiently, the recommended approach is to install a known good component. This step is critical for diagnosing whether the initial sensor is indeed faulty. After installation, you should attempt to reproduce the failure by checking if the DTC reappears. If the fault disappears and the sensor functions correctly, it indicates the original sensor was malfunctioning. However, if the symptoms persist, it suggests that there may be related components causing the issue. Document your findings systematically to ensure thorough diagnosis. Finally, if previous inspections pass as normal and the DTC remains undefined, the next logical step is to inspect the climate control unit. This component is pivotal for interpreting data provided by the humidity sensor. If it is found to be the source of the issue, it may require repair or replacement. Evaluate other components that might have been explored during earlier steps to determine if they are functioning as intended. This comprehensive approach ensures that all possibilities are assessed before concluding that the climate control unit is defective. Understanding the whole system is essential for making informed decisions regarding repairs and replacements in the context of DTC B121D. Upon completing the necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify the effectiveness of your solutions. Start by retesting the vehicle to confirm that the new or repaired components operate as expected. Clear any stored DTC codes from the climate control's memory, and then restart the vehicle to observe if the DTC appears again during normal operation. This ensures that the system is no longer encountering communication errors. Additionally, conduct a thorough check of the climate control functionality to confirm that it has restored its operational integrity. Performing these steps is essential for ensuring a comprehensive solution has been executed, guaranteeing driver comfort and system reliability. Implementing preventive maintenance is integral for the longevity of your vehicle's climate control system and to avoid issues like DTC B121D. Regular inspections of the humidity/in-car temperature sensor, as well as its connectors, can preemptively identify any early signs of wear or damage before they escalate into significant problems. Ensuring the integrity of connectors is essential, as corrosion or looseness can affect performance. Additionally, testing the sensor functionality periodically will catch inconsistencies when they begin, allowing for timely intervention and repairs. Taking these proactive measures will contribute not only to comfort, but also to the overall reliability of your vehicle's electronic systems. In conclusion, DTC B121D highlights the importance of the communication link between the humidity in-car temperature sensor and the climate control unit. Identifying communication errors early helps in providing timely repairs, ensuring comfort, and avoiding more complex issues later on. Properly evaluating related components and inspecting wiring for potential disruptions allows for an effective and efficient troubleshooting process. Finally, performing preventive checks not only aids in avoiding similar pitfalls, but also enhances the overall durability of the vehicle's electronic systems. Following this detailed guide will ensure comprehensive understanding and proactive management of DTC B121D in your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.